try that again. I just put my hair up because I was sweating like a pig in here. Fucking ring lights in the middle of 80-degree weather. Nope. Girl. Need my bitch brows. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do another makeup routine today. I was too lazy to do like a full exciting look. So instead we're gonna film like an everyday glam. It's still amped up from your typical everyday, maybe work makeup. It's way hotter than that. Still pretty simple and uninvolved. So keep watching. I hate when I say that. Okay. I haven't done my makeup in so long. Eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Brow Gel in medium brown. Now, how I would do my eyebrows if I was like just going to work is kind of how I'm gonna do them. I don't do it quite as dark or as full usually if I'm just like going nowhere, okay? I will just kind of brush them up and trace the bottom and then just kind of brush through. So today I'm just gonna go in with the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, which is just a very neutral kind of nude shade. Oh, fuck that, I'm using my finger. If you're gonna put anything on your eyelids, like shadow-wise, you've gotta prime them, otherwise you'll get that greasy crease right there. Oh my God, it's so hot today. I'm dying. I'm sweating. So I'm gonna try and keep this very basic and very simple. We're gonna start with something light, like a white. You could go shimmery or matte. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm gonna use this matte white shade here. I just dropped it and it's probably broken. It's okay. I'm gonna go in with a flat eyeshadow brush and this matte white color, and I'm going to use it all over the inner corner, and we're just gonna brighten up those eyes. Just kind of opens everything up. Now I'm also gonna put it under my eyebrow. Now, for the transition shade in our crease, we're gonna use the neutral brown color. If you don't have a lot of palettes, you can just use your bronzer. I'm gonna go in with Hoola. So I'm gonna go in with a large fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put that all over the crease. I'm just going back and forth, and I'm winging it out just a bit, just to get that angle definition. And then you can do little circular motions to get it nice and blended. Oh my God, I'm sweating. It's January. What on earth? I'm gonna go a little bit darker. So if you have a darker brown eyeshadow, I'm still using matte. I'm just gonna use a smaller, denser, fluffy brush, and I'm going to concentrate this brown just right in the outer corner. And I'm kind of doing a little V shape to get like that angled side. So I'm just tracing a V and just staying in the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go back in with a little more of the bronzer and just kind of blend those two shades together. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with a light color again, so you could go back in with the matte white, or you could do a light shimmery shade. So I'm gonna use this kind of champagne shimmer and the matte white mixed together, and I'm going back with that flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to put that all over the eyelid. So I'm gonna go in with a brown Kohl pencil. This is the Rockin' Kohl by Charlotte Tilbury in Barbarella brown, and I'm just gonna smudge this right across the lash line. So I'm just gonna go in with an eyeshadow color similar to the eyeliner. And I'm gonna smudge it out with a flat definer brush. Just wiggling back and forth, all the way across. And I smudged it up a little higher with the shadow on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna pop on a few individual lashes because my eyelashes right now suck. This is Kiss Lash Couture. They're just 3 different lengths of individual lashes, nothing fancy. I'm just gonna put maybe 3 on each side on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on the back of my hand. And using tweezers, I'm gonna pull one off, just dip. You can't see shit. I'm just gonna nestle it right in the outer corner. Fuck off, I got them stuck together. Just kind of makes my lashes look a little bit fuller. It's very subtle. You probably can't even tell, but it makes me feel cuter. Anyway, I'm gonna go back in with some shimmer under my eyebrow, just cause. So I'm just gonna throw on some basic foundation and concealer. We're gonna skip that part because I feel like it's very boring and you're over it. I'll be going in with my usual Makeup Forever HD foundation and my Nars concealer. So I'll be right back. Okay, that's done, I'm back. Skin looks so much better. Now I'll just go in with some powder. The MAC powder, the Light Plus Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm like, am I drunk? Why can't I talk? Okay, using a fluffy powder brush. I'm just gonna dab this all under our eyes. I'm gonna concentrate in those areas. The little heavier hand and on my nose. Then I'm just gonna lightly dab all the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go back in with Hoola, which I used on my eyes, and now I'm gonna use it for bronzing and contouring. I'll just go in with an angled brush and just lightly dust, nothing too intense. Then I'll blend it out with the round, fluffy end. A little bit on my jaw. And a little along my hairline. I do contour my nose almost always. Just gonna use my bronzing brush and dust it along the outside edges. Okay, where was I? Okay, we're bronzed. Now we're gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna use my Tarte Party Blush, which is just my go-to. Starting at the apple and then blending upwards. Oh my God, look at Lola. I'm so hot. Now we're gonna put a little eyeshadow on the lower lash line. That is a must, people. Just like heightens the whole thing. I'm gonna go in with that flat brush we used earlier, the little definer brush, and the darker brown eyeshadow color. I used this one here. We're gonna just smudge out the lower lash line here. And then I'm gonna make it just a little bit more intense. So I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush and Hoola just on the upper line. Blah, blah, blah. Shut up. And I'm going to smoke it out even more. Now I'm gonna line my waterline. That same eyeliner, and I'm gonna do the top as well. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Indiscretion. Lovely, gold-ish. I'm gonna use this little fluffy brush. We're gonna highlight the cheekbone, eyebrows. Now I'll set my brows. Lips. You can do any color with this look. It's extremely neutral. I'm gonna go with nude. I'm gonna go in with KKW Beauty Nude 2. She has the best nude lipsticks. And I have a hard time finding a nude that doesn't just make me look disgusting. What? I'm gonna color in a little bit of the lip, but I'm gonna leave the centerpiece empty. Using a little Q-tip, I'm gonna kind of blend all that out. Now for lipstick. I just realized that I have the exact same lipstick, 2 of them. I bought 2 of the exact same color. God damn it. I'm gonna go in with Classic K now, another KKW Nude. And I'm just gonna kind of concentrate it in the middle areas where I had left it empty with liner. And I think I want a little lip gloss. So we're gonna stick with KKW Beauty and use Juicy. And I'm gonna dab that on the center. Now I'm gonna set everything with Skindinavia setting spray. Well, that's the look. Very pretty, but very simple still. This is what I would do if I was like going to brunch or something, you know? Thanks for watching though. I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Yep. Have you guys been watching The Bachelor? You are not good at that. My cat is crying. You can let her in. Oh my God. Yes. Say hello, honey. Fucking ridiculous. No, thank you. Okay, bye.